Hi folks, today I'm going to present pynk, a new service to help you to write better Panda code using method chaining. Let's see a small example. First, we import the Panda library, and then we have a script which loads some data, renames the column, performs some selection, modify the type on some columns, reorder the columns, sort the data in place, and then perform a pivot table. On Atlas we collect a nice graphics with the variety of French name by year and gender. The problem with this script is that we collect a setting with copy warning. This is because we have performed some selection of the data frame and then we modify some values in the data frame, but the selected data frame is the view of the initial data frame and it's still bound to it. So the way to prevent the copy with setting warning is to copy the selection that we have performed, and so that if we run it again, we collect finally the graphic without any problem. Now we are going to use the pynk service to switch our code to method chaining, and for that we copy the code and then we are going to go to the pynk service. Now we are on the pynk service page. We just paste the code that we have copied from the notebook. We remove the copy statement that we don't need anymore. We accept the term of service and we switch the selection by using query instead of .loc, and we just click here. And we collect a nice method chaining code that we can copy back and go to the notebook. Back to the notebook, we can paste the code that we collected from the pynk service. All statements have been automatically switched to method chaining. The renaming of the column, the selection using query, the modification of type and the modification of the columns, the sort that doesn't use in place, and the line function that is directly used. No extra variable is created. That's method chaining. Now you can like and share this video with your colleagues, and jump to the service at pynk.iota-conseil.fr to start modernizing your code to method chaining. Of course, the generated code should be verified, completed and tested before being executed or put into production. Thank you.